Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you on how to remove the WordPress logo from the WP login. So as usual, we are going to log into the section of our WordPress site. Alright, now we are logged in, so we go to the plugin section, add new. So the most effective plugin which I know of and which I have been using for several years, it's the YITH login. YITH login. So you can see here YITH custom login. So simply what this does, it helps you to remove the WordPress logo at the back end and replace it with your own custom logo. Let's try it. Install. Now we have successfully installed, so let's activate. So now we have activated the YITH custom login. To see this settings, you have to go to appearance, login screen. As you can see, first of all, let's refresh from another browser to see what changes YITH custom login has made. So you can see your logo. This is a mascot anyways, you can always remove that. So let's see what changes we can be able to make. Now you can see enable, it has already been enabled automatically. Perhaps I don't want this mascot image near the login form, which is this. I don't want it, so I can disable, save options. Then for the logo, go to logo. So this is the logo section. To change the logo, click on upload. If you have your files already, you select, but for me I do not, so I look for my own logo. Now I've uploaded mine, insert into post, save options. Let's refresh. As you can see, I've successfully been able to remove the mascot image and include my own logo. So as you can see, the logo seems to form of depressed. So that's why it's essential you know your logo size. So perhaps 65. The logo is measured by pixels. Alright, you can see changes has been made. So there are other options here, but I'm not going to go through all. But always remember, WordPress is all about creativity. So there's no set rules, no set guidelines. So just play around with these settings and improve your WordPress user experience. In our next video, what I'm going to teach you is how to change your WordPress admin URL. Not everyone wants to see WP admin or even WP login. So in the next video, I'll teach you on how you can change these things to white label them to your own custom URL. So this is it for this video. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and also share. And to get notified when I upload new videos, subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon.